Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about Ansible roles. Roles, why we use roles and where in what situations we use roles and what is the main meaning of the roles we can discuss today. So as it mentioned here, so role we to reuse the playbooks we create roles from it. So and it's a mechanism of dividing a playbook into multiple modules or we can say multiple files. So how we'll see it now. So suppose we have one big huge playbook and we have the I can give Maurya. So here we have variables, company name Maurya, location and contact, and we can mention email ID also if you need it. And so I'll mention email ID. Suppose you say my email ID, I'll enter. So we have variables and tasks we have in separate files, and suppose in any other demo I can show you, I mentioned handlers also. So handlers I'll explain you in the different this one video. So I have this. So I'll be creating a role now. So to create a role we need to connect to the Linux server, Red Hat server. So I'll go to my instance, let me connect to it. EC2 instance, AWS EC2 instance. Let me copy this and go to my MobaX term, start local terminal. So I'll connect to my PEM file where it is there, it's there in my desktop folder, PEM file folder. I'll connect. So there is PEM file folder. I'll copy the path which I copied from the AWS. So to connect, to check whether it's connected successfully or not, we'll execute a uname command. So here is a uname command. When it is giving the Linux, then it is successfully connected. So it is successfully connected. Let me clear the previous history. Then now I will go to sudo su minus ansible to go to the sudo user. So Ansible user, we came it to the Ansible user. So now if I type ls, we have Ansible playbook. So I'll switch to my Ansible playbooks. Let me see what and all files are there. This many files are there. So let me create one role. To create a role we need to use galaxy command. So Ansible hyphen galaxy, and to initialize we use init method to initialize the directory, and we give one name, suppose roles demo.yml. Okay, roles demo, I can give roles demo. Okay, not no need for yml. Okay, then I'll enter it. So successfully created roles demo. So see, to see roles demo, will suppose if we say ls, so now we can see here roles demo. So it created one role. So we'll switch into the roles demo file. So here if you see ls, so we have like this. Suppose we can execute tree command to see what are all the directory structure. So in defaults we have main.yml files we have, and we can create one more file, and handlers we have, and meta we have, task main.yml we have, and test we have, and vars file we have. So we can I mean to say we can paste the particular details in this particular files. Suppose if we want to paste variables means we can paste in variables main.yml. Suppose if we want to paste handlers related details means we can paste in handlers details. And suppose we want to paste all the tasks which are there means we can paste in task main.yml. Suppose I will go to task first, vi task slash main.yml. Suppose we'll go to main.yml. So here what I will do, I'll insert that all the task here. So I'll copy here what are all the task here. So here till here is my task. So I'll copy these two tasks. So I'll paste it here. So we need to check the indentations correctly. So I pasted my task. Then I will paste my handlers in main.yml. Vi handlers slash main.yml. I entered into this, so I'll insert and I'll go to the next line. I'll delete these comments. So I'll go to handlers and I'll paste my handlers details. So this is the handlers details, right? Then I'll go to my vars file, and vars file can create vars slash main.yml. Insert. Like this will create for each and separate file, will give separate variables, and I have one variables here with my variables list details here. Then so I copied handlers details and I entered task details and I entered variables details. Now my roles demo is ready. Then I can switch back to my Ansible users cd slash dash previous directly. So I'll come to Ansible playbook here, and let me clear it. So if you can see now, we created the roles demo role. Okay, now we need to create one ml file, vi roles demo main dot ml. I'll give main. So main.ml file I created. So in this file, let me give like quotes all become true, gather underscore facts no. Then here, instead of task, you can give roles. Right, what is the role we created? Roles demo. Correct. Let me check the syntax first. Ansible hyphen playbook roles demo main dot yml hyphen hyphen syntax hyphen check. So we having error, right? That's why we need to create in column 3, but maybe elsewhere in the file depending upon. Let me see the syntax is correct or not. Okay, so I got the catch. Yeah, we need to mention like this, right? Syntax. So now is the syntax is correct. So this syntax, it will check all the syntax in this file also, not only in this file. It will check all the syntax from demo file also, I mean like roles file also. So let me execute it. Let me execute. To execute this, I'll do this. See, now it's executing my roles. So it's installed and it copied about what all the task we mentioned, so it performed here. So my role is success. Like this way we can create a role using I mean like we can divide the particular playbook into separate task or else variables we can give in one file, and all we can club it together and run it in a one single role. Hope you understood and hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.